Hey guys, this is Danish again, and in this video, I will be sharing some incredible tips on how to optimize keywords that you can monitor on all social media and find hot, ready to buy leads. So let's get started. So I'm sure by now you're already familiar with Devi AI tool. That's how it looks. If you want to change the keywords, you will click select keywords. That's the one way, or you can always go to settings and then lead keywords. These are the two ways to get to them. So just so that you know what keywords are, actually these are the words people use to look for the product and services they need, or the pain they want to solve, or the partners they want to look. These are the keywords they add in their posts, and they're signaling the intent of the post. There are eight type of intents. Transactional intent, informational intent, and rest of it. You can use ChatGPT or Google and find the eight types of different intents. So let's go here. The first basic strategy to use for keywords is called, let's say, direct keyword, right? So if I am selling an insurance product, I will just add simple insurance. This is a direct keyword that tells, that monitors the posts which are looking for insurance, right? It's highly relevant to the product I'm selling. So that's why I'm calling it a insurance product, insurance keyword. So if we go here, and I can see the post which is talking about insurance, right? So this looks like not the relevant post. So what you could do, you can block here, but there will be other posts which will be finding you the leads, right? One thing I want to share with you about the high intent badge, that means one of your keywords is found in those posts, like travel, but as well as I am looking for and I want to buy. This is a transactional intent. That's why we automatically Devi shows you high intent, right? So this is the first strategy. Use direct keyword, whatever you're selling, most close direct keyword. Let's go to the second strategy. Second strategy is the indirect keywords, right? So for example, if I am selling a backpack, travel backpack, then I could monitor backpack as a direct keyword, but I can also add travel, because normally people who are looking to buy or planning to buy, they, travel is the indirect keyword which could find you the post and leads on social media, right? So far we have discussed direct keywords, indirect keywords, and we could do them. In Devi, you could also add multi-word keyword. For example, two-word keyword, right? I had a client who was selling a product to target people who want to start a business. So he added a keyword, start a business, three-word keyword, start a business. And 95% of the leads it was coming were high intent, and he closed so much business. So two-word keyword, let me take you here and let me show you the best feature. We have filter leads. So in filter leads, I can go and I can filter the leads based on the keywords. So let's find the first one word keyword, insurance. So now it's going to show all the post insurance related. See, insurance, the keyword. What you could do, there is an interesting feature we have. You can also combine two word keyword. For example, I can select travel and insurance. So Devi is going to find all the posts which has these two keywords mentioned anywhere in the post. So let me show you and see. So it's showing me travel insurance. Both the keywords are mentioned here. So this could be highly important for you to further filter down, the leads, because you might get so many leads if you're just adding one keyword, but you can filter them. So if you're selling an insurance and I want to target the travel insurance, I can add travel insurance. It's going to show me all the posts. So incredible feature, right? Let me show you again the two keyword thing. If I select love travel, so this two keyword is different because it's going to be finding you the exact match side by side. These two keywords will be side by side. So if we go here, and interesting, so I don't see it here, but normally maybe then still, yeah, it's here, but I'm not sure why it did not find it. But it will be finding you if you go into filter leads, and if you select love travel, it's going to find you the leads which has two keywords in them. So let me revise it. First strategy, there are 8 intent type of the post, what people are looking on social media. You can add direct keyword, which are one single word keyword. You can add multi-word keyword, and then you can also select two separate keywords to filter the leads, which will have um, the all these posts. For example, travel and insurance. You can see that, right? So if you use these strategies, you're gonna further, you wanna remove the noise, and you're gonna find the good stuff, good leads, good people, right? One thing I want to share, that keywords are universal across all social media platform. So you can just select the keywords, filter them, and then you is gonna find that relevant keyword on each relevant social media. So I hope this helps. We can cover the eight intent types on social media and discuss how we can target using those intent types, and use Devi to close more business or to find more leads. One more thing I wanna at the end share, that Devi is good not only to find leads but also to find suppliers, partners. I have published in CNN by just monitoring a keyword, news and marketing, and I saw a post where a journalist looking for founders like me who want to talk about marketing, and I gave my comment, and I got a very important backlink. So you could use that strategy. Guys, again, we have a live chat. You can set up a demo call. You can contact Victor on a live chat to answer you, to use this. In my other videos, I will be discussing how to find the right groups. There are different strategies to find the niche, high quality groups where your target audience hanging out and looking for your products or your competitor products. So you can monitor them and outreach to those as well. So watch out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching this one.